Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I am not a gamer by any means, but when my husband and I were dating and we were living long distance, we were trying to find another way to talk without just being on the phone. So I got a PlayStation and we started playing video games together. But one thing I needed was a good headset. So I got this Turtle Beach Stealth 600 for PlayStation, and it has been perfect. The battery life lasts so long that I rarely have to charge it because I really don't play that much. Another thing I really love about it is that it's really good for glasses wearers. It doesn't push my glasses into my head and give me a headache. There's lots of space there. But I also love that it goes right over my ears. It's not sitting on top of them, it goes all the way around them. I love that. Another great feature is the microphone. If you want to mute yourself, and you can change the volume of either the chat that you're in or the entire game, depending on what you want to hear more of or how loud it is. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or you just play sometimes, you need a good headset, and I highly recommend this Turtle Beach one. But that's just my point of view.